Good morning, everyone. So today I'm going to solve the question number 2.8, Intext question 2.8. Okay, Intext question. Actually, I forgot to solve this question in for English medium, so I think that it's good to solve it. Okay, so what's given here? For the first time, we have to check the given things. Okay, so the vapor pressure of pure liquids A and B are 450 and 700. Okay, so for pure liquids, we know that it's that not is used here. Okay, for A, that means for PA not is 450 mm Ag, and for B, PB not is 700 mm Ag, respectively at 350 Kelvin. We know that the temperature is the constant. Okay, so here the temperature is 350 Kelvin. Okay, after that find the composition of the liquid mixture. If total vapor pressure is 600 mmHg, so they give also the total vapor pressure and it's 600 mmHg. We have to calculate the composition of the liquid mixture. So okay, if we're going to mix two liquid like liquid A and liquid B, okay, both are pure liquids. Okay, so if we're going to add them, we know they have some composition there. So for A, it's the composition is XA, and for B, the composition is XB. So we have to calculate the XA and XB equal 1. And if total this much, and also find the composition of the vapor pressure. It's important. Okay, I already told you about this in previous videos. Like whenever we're going to cover it, then it has some vapor. Okay, and this vapor gives some pressure. Okay, so these are known as vapor pressure. So for these vapors, in case of vapors also have some composition, right? So for this, for vapor, the composition is 1A, and for vapor of B liquid, the composition is YB. So we have to calculate YA and YB also. Okay, so now it's time to solve this question. But these are the given things. So we have to calculate XA and XB. For that, we need a relation, and it's PT equal, we know from Dalton law that from Dalton law PT equal P1 plus P2. Okay, and I already solved these things also, but it's good to solve it here just for revision. So just watch. After that, P1, we know that from Raoult law, P1 equal P1 not x1. Sorry, here it's A and B. Okay, here it's A and B. PA equal PA not XA, and for PB, we should use AB1 to anything. Okay, no issue for that. So PB not XP. So just put the values here. PA not XA plus PB not XP. So we know that XA plus XB equal 1. So in case of XA, we can put 1 minus XP, right? So PA naught 1 minus XP plus PB naught XP. So here it's like PA naught minus PA naught XP plus PB naught XP. So if we take XP as common, then it's like PB naught minus PA naught. So this is one of the formula, and the another formula is it's not good to wrap the question, sorry for that. Okay, so this is one of the formula, PT equal this much. Okay, this is one of the formula, and the another one is like we know that PT equal PA naught XP plus this thing PB naught XP. If we are going to put a value of XP now, so for XP it's like XP equal 1 minus XA. Okay, So PA naught x a plus PB naught for xb1 minus xa. So it's like PA naught xa plus PB naught minus PB naught xa. Okay. So PB naught is here. Then if we are going to take the for this and this xa is common, then PA naught minus PB naught. So we get two formulas here. Okay. One is this one and the another one is this one. Must remember these two. So we just use any one of them in this equation and we can solve it. Okay, we have to just use any one of them. So it's your choice which one you are going to take. If we are going to take this formula, then you get the value of xa, then we can calculate the value of xp. And if we are going to with the help of this formula, then you get the value of xp, then you can calculate xa as well. Okay, so that's not a big deal. So we are going to add this any one of them. Okay, we are going to add this one. Okay, so with the help of this formula, now it's time to put the values. So for PT the value is 600. Okay, for PB naught it's PB naught, it's PA naught, and it's PT. Okay, and for PB naught it's 700 plus XA. We have to calculate the value of XA, and for PA minus PB 450 minus 700. Okay, so it's like 600 minus 700 equal XA divided by 700 minus 450, 0. Yes, and here it's minus 100 XA. So XA is like minus 100 divided by 250. So it's like 0.4. So since we get the value of xa, so now we know that xa plus xb equal 1. So xb equal 1 minus xa. Since we get the value of 0.4 xa, so the value of xb is 1 minus 0.4. That means 1 minus, that means 0.6. Okay, so we get the values of xa and xb, and these are 0.4 and 0.6. Values of xa is 0.4, the value of xb is 0.6. Now we have to calculate the composition in vector space. That means ya and yb, and we know that p1 equal ya pt. We know that formula. Okay, in our book we already learned this thing. And it's pa. Okay, and pb equal yb pt. So we know the value of pt, but we don't know the value of pa and pb, but we know the value of pa naught and pb naught, and with the help of pa naught and pb naught we can get this value. Okay, so we know that from Raoult's law, pa equal pa naught pt, pa naught xa, pa naught xa, and pb naught equal pb naught xb. So for pa we get the value is like pa naught is 450 into xa value is 0.4, and for pb it's like pb naught value is 700 into for xb it's 0.6, so it's 420 and it's 180. Okay, so let's just see the total pressure is 600, right? And we know that from delta PT equal PA plus PB. So if you feel like that it's maybe wrong, so just add them to. Then 180 plus 420 is equal 600. So you are correct, right? So we get the value of PA and PB. Now just put the values in this equation and then our question will be solved. Okay, so now we know that since PA equal YA PT, PB equal YB PT, so YA equal PT by PA by PT, and YB equal PB by PT. So for PA the value is 180 divided by 600, and uh, for PB the value is 420 by 600. So if we are going to calculate, it's like, oh no, it's 60, so it's 0.3, and it's like 0.7. Okay, so in this way we get the value of xa and xb as well as ya and yb too. So if you somehow, if you find difficulty to calculate this, just if you get the value of ya, then you should know that ya plus yb equal 1. So yb equal 1 minus ya. So just put 1 minus 0.3 equal 0.7. So in this way we get the values like this. Okay, so here this question we have to calculate the composition of in the liquid state, that it's like xa equal, I mean that pure liquid A is 0.4 and the pure liquid B is 0.6, and in the vapor phase what happened, A is 0.3 and the B is 0.7. That's it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and study well and try a lot this question, like it should be like that you never forgot it after trying for once. Okay, just practice it a lot, then it will be I mean it will be exist in your mind for the whole time. Okay, so that's it all for today, and in next video I am going to teach about depression and freezing point and elevation and boiling point together, because I already teach that relative drawing of proper pressure. I mean these are colligative properties after that osmotic pressure, and then our first chapter will finish. Okay, so study well, and if you have any query ask me in the comment section, and that's it all for today. Thanks a lot for watching.